Hi, I'm Johnny from OnlineLabels.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make promotional stickers for your small business. Using promotional stickers is a creative and easy way to promote your business and foster brand awareness. And best of all, design experience is not required. In this video, we'll go over the benefits of sticker marketing, design tips, and how to start creating your own stickers at home. Stickers are extremely affordable when compared to other promotional materials like t-shirts, pens, and magnets. Because stickers are much more affordable to make, you won't be as cost conscious if you're giving them away at markets, trade events, and more. Stickers create a unique connection between customers and your brand. When a customer puts your sticker on one of their personal items, it keeps your brand top of mind. Stickers have been popular for a long time, and they're not going out of style anytime soon. People love placing stickers on water bottles, cell phones, and so much more. When designing promotional stickers, it's a good idea to keep them aligned with your brand style and voice. You can accomplish this by using consistent colors, font choices, or other design aspects, like including your logo or even your slogan. Think about what specific goal you're trying to reach with your sticker. Are you trying to increase sales, brand awareness, or email signups, or something else? Consider including a call to action on your sticker to get your customers interacting with your brand. Some examples include an invitation to visit social media pages. Be sure to include your handles. You can also add a QR code that will take them to your online shop. You can tell customers to post a picture of their sticker on social media. And you can add an incentive to text or email for a discounted first purchase. It's also important to think about where your sticker will end up and adjust your messaging, size, and layout accordingly. A sticker designed for a laptop or window can have bigger text and more information than something designed for a water bottle. You'll also want to consider the label material you choose to make your sticker. A weatherproof label is the perfect option because it holds up well against moisture and frequent use. At OnlineLabels, we offer a few options to get you started making stickers. You can browse thousands of shapes, sizes, and configurations so you can find the perfect label to create your sticker. Once you have your label picked, you can upload your own image to Maestro Label Designer or start your own design from scratch. If you're looking for a head start on your label design, you can choose from one of our hundreds of pre-designed label templates. These templates were professionally designed by our team and are fully customizable so you can edit the text, images, colors to suit your brand. Do you have an especially unique shape or expect to cut a variety of shapes for your stickers? You can also cut your own stickers using printable sticker paper, scissors, or an electronic cutting machine like a Silhouette Cameo or Cricut Explore. We hope you can use this information and start creating your own promotional stickers for your business. For more information on labels and stickers, visit us at OnlineLabels.com.